Welcome to Reactome's downloadable materials. We offer a wealth of downloadable materials to support your research and learning. On our website, you can easily access high-quality data and resources. Our downloadable pathway diagrams provide detailed visual representations of biological pathways. The pathway diagrams include curated information on genes, proteins, and reactions, which you can use for your own research projects. You can use our Cite Us button to ensure you cite the correct diagram and database version. You can also download the pathway information and diagrams through the Pathway browser using the Downloads tab. In addition, you can download specific excerpts or the entire Reactome database as a textbook, where summations and other information is generated within a PDF document. Feeling curious about our interactive illustrations? By going to the Community tab, you will find our extensive icon library, which you can easily search, browse, and inspect. And of course you can download individual elements, or the entire library, with a single click and use them in your presentations and figures. For more advanced data, you can visit our download page. These files, unless otherwise stated, are produced quarterly with every release. Here, you'll find a variety of downloadable materials, including our source code, available in a GitHub repository. We also provide database dumps for our Knowledge Graph database and MySQL data. We provide mapping files, such as identifier mappings, and other specialized formats. To learn more about the mapping files, click on the information icon. Here, we provide an explanation of the files and the column format. We also provide pathway information files, a range of systems biology formats, such as BioPax and SBML, and protein-protein interaction files. By downloading materials from Reactome, you're equipped with reliable, peer-reviewed data to advance your research. Visit reactome.org today, and explore and download these valuable free resources. Thank you for choosing Reactome as your trusted source for biological pathway information.